English speaking practice. Here's a short story illustrating the present continuous tense structure. Subject plus am, is, are plus verb plus ing. The sun is shining brightly as Sarah is preparing her lunch. She is carefully chopping vegetables on a wooden cutting board. The aroma of spices filling the air. Her phone is ringing. And she is momentarily distracted, but she is quickly back to work, adding herbs to her salad. Meanwhile, her brother, David, is playing video games in the living room. His laughter is echoing through the house. He is concentrating on the game, oblivious to Sarah's activities in the kitchen. In the background, the birds are singing, creating a peaceful ambiance. All sentences are constructed by using present continuous tense. If this video add any value in your English learning journey, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Keep learning, keep watching, keep growing.